Imagine that we're making a cake. To make a cake, we use a variety of ingredients. These ingredients are mixed together and, after a bit of baking, make a delicious treat. We make music in a similar way. We take ingredients, mix them together, and we have our piece of music. The only difference is, ingredients in music are called elements. Quite often, all of these elements come together to make a piece of music, but some pieces of music use only a few. Any elements in a piece of music can change the flavour or sound of the music depending on how they are used. We could break these elements into 8 main ones, which I will refer to as primary elements. They are pitch, tempo, dynamics, timbre, duration, attack, decay, and silence. Whilst we will focus on each element individually in later videos, for now we can simply describe each one as pitch, how high or how low a sound is, tempo, how fast or how slow something is played, dynamics, how loud or quiet a note is, timbre, the type of sound an instrument makes, duration, how long or short a sound is, attack, how a sound starts, decay, how a sound finishes, and silence, the sound of nothing at all.